How to uninstall the Google Voice app from Android. First of all, find the Google Voice app icon on your device home screen or app drawer. Tap and hold the icon until options appear. Look for uninstall option and then tap it. Confirm the action when prompted to delete the app completely. Alternatively, you can uninstall the app by going to your device setting, then apps or application. Find Google Voice in the list, tap it and select uninstall. Uninstalling the app frees up storage space and stops notifications from Google Voice on that device. Keep in mind that uninstalling doesn't delete your Google Voice number or account. You can always reinstall the app later and sign back in. Once uninstalled, the app will be removed from your device, but your Google Voice account and number will remain active unless you deactivate the account separately. Now you know how to uninstall the Google Voice app from your device. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.